So as far as cold email marketing, a lot of people still want to do it, but they've seen, dropping response rates. Even the open rates are going down quite significantly. So now what would you recommend for others, startup founders out there, or maybe marketers that are looking to improve upon their cold email marketing strategy?
Yeah, the first thing is to not to treat email marketing as a casual process, like just like upload the leads, write down some hi, hope you are doing well email, hit the send button, and try to get the reply. So this is not how it works in nowadays, and this
Mhm.
really really tough and technical process where you need to understand what domain zone you are at with your domain. Is it .com or is it .ai or whatever other like first level domain zone? You need to understand what leads and work with your list hygiene, like avoid all those bounces, work with the data that freshly created, freshly added, and you 100% sure that those emails are exist. In terms of the email content, you should avoid any attachments, avoid the spam words, avoid like keep it straight, simple, 1, 2 sentences. You want to talk with someone for some reason, and you will have more success when you are like write down all those long reads with PDFs, one pagers, which just doesn't work, and no one needs to like read it or see it over the inbox.